In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pie chart in Google Slides. Creating a visually appealing presentation often requires a variety of visual aids, and pie charts are an excellent way to display data in an understandable and engaging manner. Let's dive right into the process. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Slides. If you have a Google account, this is as simple as typing in Google Slides into your search bar and selecting the first link. Once you are on the main page, sign in with your Google account credentials. This will allow you to access your saved work anywhere and on any device. If you're not already signed in, you might be prompted to do so before you can proceed. After signing in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. Here, you'll see an array of different presentation options. You have the choice to start fresh with a blank presentation, or select from an array of templates that Google offers. If you're looking to create a totally new design, click on Blank Presentation. Alternatively, if you wish to incorporate your pie chart into a project with pre-existing themes, select a template that suits your needs. Once your presentation is open, your screen will display a blank slide. Navigate to the menu at the top of the screen, click on the Insert tab. This will present you with various options to incorporate different elements into your slide, one of which is adding charts. Hover over Chart, and another menu will pop up. Here, you'll want to select Pie. By clicking Pie, Google Slides will automatically generate a basic pie chart on your slide. At this point, you have a pie chart placed on your slide, but it's just a template and doesn't yet represent your specific data. If you wish to customize your pie chart, click on the chart itself. You'll see a small link that allows you to edit the chart in Google Sheets. This is where you can manipulate the data to suit your presentation's needs. Simply replace the placeholder data with your own numbers to create an accurate representation of your desired information. Remember, the changes you make in Google Sheets will automatically be updated in your Google Slides presentation. And there you have it, a complete pie chart created and tailored to your needs within Google Slides. This skill is particularly useful for business meetings, classroom environments, or any situation where clear and effective communication of data is essential. With these tools at your disposal, you can create engaging, data-driven presentations that clearly convey your message to any audience.